You don't want man's wisdom. You got to get his wisdom. Because man will tell you something and you find yourself in a ditch. Find yourself losing your mind. Find yourself losing everything. Listening to man. You better get wisdom. He said wisdom cry out. You got to ask God for wisdom, knowledge, understanding. Because if you don't get it from God, you're going to lose everything. Wisdom, cry out. You're making it on broken pieces. Luke 12:13-23 says, Jesus said, beware of covetousness, for a man's life consisted not in abundance of the things which he possessed. He was talking about a certain man that was rich and had a lot and had plenty. He said to himself, I have so much, I don't have room enough for it. This man had everything, and he didn't want to bless the people that didn't have anything. People that was barely making it on broken pieces. And he had everything in his power to help, and he didn't want to help. Instead of helping somebody in need that's broken in spirit because of lack, he said to himself, I'm going to pull down my barn. He said he's going to pull everything out of his barn, everything he had stored up, all his goods. He finna pull it down instead of blessing somebody. It's like a pack rat. Just getting everything and just packing it up in their house, packing it up in their garage, packing it up in their basement for yourself. And you know somebody barely making it on broken pieces. You have enough to bless them. You have enough to bless them. Remember, you're barely making it on broken pieces. The Lord told him, you fool, this night thy soul shall be required unto me. If you die today or tomorrow, them blessings ain't going with you. Bless somebody else that's barely making it on broken pieces.